And we are shifting our focus quickly to the state of Bihar, where there is a showdown that's happening in Patna. We are getting to know that aspirants, TRE4 aspirants in Patna are protesting. There's been a clash with the police as well. So right now, this is a protest against the Bihar government. Dramatic pictures coming in. As per the latest information, police has resorted to baton charge over these protests. So there's a massive showdown currently. These are aspirants of TRE4, and this is a protest happening currently. We'll get you the live updates from the ground. My colleagues will be joining us to tell us what's happening, but let's just describe the pictures on screen. These are dramatic protests. There have been barricades. One of the protesters also climbed down to the barricade there. Let me go across to Priyank. Priyank, tell us what's happening. What is this protest about?
See, this protest was basically regarding delay in the advertisement which is supposed to come because most of these aspirants in Bihar
we seem to be having a problem with your audio line there, Priyank. If we can just connect with Priyank once again. But yes, right now let's just describe the pictures that we are seeing on our screens. These are visuals coming in from Patna. Aspirants there protesting in large numbers. Barricades have been put up. In one of the visuals that you just saw on your screens, one of the protesters was seen scaling up the barricades. There have been placards in their hands, and those placards are reading out messages against the Bihar government. So once again, these scenes of tensions currently unfolding. My colleague Saket is on the ground there in Patna telling us about this particular protest that's happening. Students have hit the streets. साकेत, ग्राउंड पे क्या सिचुएशन है? जो छात्राएं अभी ग्राउंड पे है, जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनकी क्या मांगे हैं? व्हाट इज दिस प्रोटेस्ट अबाउट?
ये तमाम जो छात्र हैं वो TRE4 की वैकेंसी निकालने को लेकर मांग अपना जो प्रदर्शन था वो कर रहे थे, और ये मांग इनकी बहुत पुरानी है। कई सालों से ये लगातार इस मांग को लेकर प्रदर्शन करते रहे हैं। सरकार से कई बार इन लोगों की जो छात्र हैं उनके जो उनका प्रतिनिधि है उनकी मुलाकात भी हुई है। जब नीतीश कुमार मुख्यमंत्री थे उस दौरान भी इन लोगों की ये मांग थी, क्योंकि इन लोगों ने पात्रता परीक्षा पास किया हुआ है। तो ऐसे में TRE4 की वैकेंसी नहीं निकाली जा रही है सरकार के स्तर पर, इसको लेकर ये लोग प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे। और इसी दौरान जब इनका प्रदर्शन पटना के गांधी मैदान में पहुंचा था, GP गोलंबर के पास, तो वहां पर पुलिस ने बैरिकेडिंग करके रखा था इन लोगों को रोकने के लिए। लेकिन जब वहां पर छात्र उस बैरिकेडिंग को तोड़कर आगे बढ़े तो फिर पुलिस ने वहां पर लाठीचार्ज किया है, जिसमें कई छात्र जो है वो घायल हुए हैं। कई छात्रों के सर पे चोट आई है जिस तरह से लाठीचार्ज हुआ है। तो सवाल पुलिस पर भी उठ रहा है कि आखिर छात्र जिन मुद्दों को लेकर आंदोलन कर रहे हैं तो उसको अगर आप उनको हटाना है तो फिर सीधा लाठीचार्ज क्यों? आखिर वाटर कैनन की व्यवस्था क्यों नहीं की?
All right, so let's actually tell our viewers about the recruitment of teachers. So this TRE4 is basically the Bihar Teacher Recruitment Exam. It is a state-level exam which is conducted by the Bihar Public Service Commission, an exam that is conducted to hire teachers for primary, secondary and higher secondary classes. Fills over 46,000 plus vacancies, and the focus is on subjects like language, general studies and specialized subjects. And right now, these are protests that are currently underway in Patna. Aspirants, they're asking, why is it that these vacancies haven't been put out yet? Thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. We'll have to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.